Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete watch history on TikTok. Yes, so in order to actually delete your watch history on TikTok, first thing you have to do is open up your TikTok app. Once you open it up, you're going to actually search for full stop or a dot. Search for that, and once you search for that, your watch history is going to actually appear here. So you're going to click on this arrow, and once you click on that, you're going to click on filter by date. So you can just decide to delete all dates, or maybe a week ago, month ago. Afterwards, you click on apply. Once it's applied, you click on this dots right here. Click on that, click on select. Once you click on select, you're going to come select all, and once you select that, you click on delete, and you're going to see delete watch history for the past 180 days, and you're going to click on delete. So everything is going to be wiped out of your history. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.